So for the last question, boss.
Okay.
All right. So this is your fifth question, Sir Kirk. At ang huling katanungan ay, anong klaseng mindset ang kailangan ng isang taong gusto kumita online?
Okay, so by the way guys, no, this is not for everyone and I just want to tell you honestly, hindi siya para sa lahat. Kasi itong community na to para lang sa mga taong gustong mabago yung buhay nila. Kasi dito, hindi ka lang pupunta doon tapos mag-expect ka nakikita ka. Kasi meron kang gagawin eh. So if your goal is pareho tayo na gustong mabago yung situation ng buhay ko ngayon, no, also with my family, then this community is for you. Kasi marami kang pagdadaanan dito. Now if the goal is to make money, I don't think this is for you. Kasi marami kang challenges, marami kang problems na ma-encounter in this community. So, kapag gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, kapag may goal ka, may vision ka, I know in the long run that you can become a successful in this community with the help of other people as well. So, mindset mo dito, learn talaga at first, no? Learn from basic, learn from those people na ando na sa itaas. And that's also the good thing kasi I have 15 years of experience in this industry. And I've been there before, no? Nag-success, nag-fail, nag-success, nag-fail. So, yan yung mga i-share ko sa inyo kasi para hindi na kayo maligaw, para hindi na kayo mag-fail. Along the way, even nahihirapan kayo, but still, you can overcome that kasi merong mga taong magtuturo sa'yo dun sa community. But just learn, no? Learn the process, learn the mistakes, learn from mistakes, and also continue learning and have someone or a mentor who's really helping you in the way, no? I guess that would be all.